Hello, today I will show you how to open a Toyota Sienna latch when it is broken. So as you can see, this handle is broken and you just simply cannot open a back door. What's happening is basically this this little part, this hook is broken, and this hook is actually opening up the door. All you need to do is to make sure that it is actually not loose, like it is catching up with the hook. Now when with this little plastic part that is actually broken but is sitting well and not moving around, I will just grab a flat screwdriver and try to open up a door. Squeezing the screwdriver here, and you can open the door now. Now finally, when I showed you how to open the door, I will show you what to do next. First, we would need to remove this panel, and we will start with this handle and with this handle. I'm opening up this little door and this little door. I'll move the camera. You can either use a screwdriver or hand screwdriver, pretty much doesn't matter. The screws will fall off, so don't lose them. Remove the handle. Next we will unscrew this handle. Now we will use a little pry bar just to remove it, the whole thing. There is a plastic hooks, simple, nice and easy. Don't worry to break anything, just be careful anyway. And you will remove it. You cannot remove this panel without removing a handle because it's screwed in here and there. Another hook is over here. So now, in order to remove this lock, we need to first unscrew and remove the panel that is on the other side. I will use a socket and a wrench if it will be necessary. Sometimes these screws are most likely pretty loose, but it depends. So there is like 3 screws and one plastic clip. Now I unscrewed the first nut. There will be 3 more nuts and one plastic clip. So here we go. Here's another one. Also, I don't even need a ratchet, so I'll just use my hands. I will tighten it up with the ratchet back a little bit, not to break the old plastic part, because all these parts are super fragile. Since they are old, the plastic gets no way close to better, it gets only worse. Removing the 3rd nut, and now the little plastic hook is located over here, exactly where my finger ends, and I'm gonna use this bended pliers. You can use some other pliers. I'm just simply going to press it a little bit and it goes in. I should be able to remove this panel and the lock itself. We need to remove the cable. This cable needs to be removed. Unhook it here and remove it from this whole thing. Here is this cable. Now it's time to remove the lock. When you will move the door down, hold it because it will just simply fall off. And here is some lights wiring. It will not fall off completely, so it will stay here. As you can see, that hook that was broken we used to open up the door. That moves this way, handle moves this way, pulling the cable, door gets unlocked. So with this broken piece, it was completely super possible to open it up, and we did it. So just for you to understand how we did it. Now we need to simply unscrew it. There is two screws that's holding it. One screw, another screw, and that's pretty much a little bit more. And that's it. Here is a broken nice, I lost both screws. Here is a broken handle. One more time, if you didn't notice, here is how it was opening the door. We were pulling it here and it was pushing the handle. Okay, let's assemble a new part. Now, handle goes this way. Here it goes. Time. Now we're placing everything back. Make it in. Now it up. Good. Okay, before we will proceed with cable hookup, I want to secure the whole handle, because otherwise it might snap while we will push it. So let's do that. One screw, second screw, last screws over here. Stubborn. Now we can push this cable whenever we need to push it. Basically, up. Now it's good. Now it's time to try if this thing works or not. Before I'm closing the door, I will just simply try it, and yes, it is working. I just need to tighten up the whole thing, the whole handle a bit better. And now I will remove my safety tool, close it, and open it. After we fix the lock and it's working now, we need to put this panel back. And I will start over here, sliding this parts, and this part I will slide inside, and then push everything back. So let's just do that. Nice and easy. Make sure all cables are getting into the right place. Watch out for them. So, up, little hit here. Little hit there. She didn't. And well. And that's it. Pretty much everything is good. We will simply now screw everything back. It was super easy here. We'll screw the handle back. One screw. Another screw. Close the cups. That's it. Door is done.